The duality of the human mind. The human mind is incredibly fascinating because it can hold two completely opposite thoughts at the same time. You may feel excited about the opportunity while also feeling afraid of falling. This inner duality is a natural part of human life. Our conscious mind helps us to make logical decisions, while the subconscious mind quietly influences our habit, emotion, and behavior. One of the most remarkable ability of the human brain is neuroplasty. Its capacity to change and adapt thoughtful life. Every time we learn a new skill, practice regularly, or solve a difficult problem, the brain forms strong connection. This is why people can improve at any age if they continue. Sometimes our beliefs and actions do not match. This creates cognitive dissonance, a feeling of mental discomfort. For example, a person may believe that a healthy lifestyle is important but still avoiding exercising. Recognizing this conflict encourages us to reflect on our choice and make positive changes. The mind is also shaped by perception. Two people can witness the same event but understand it differently because of their experience and belief. Instead of giving into fear, we should focus on facts, work through challenge patiently, and carry on even when situations become difficult. As we learn to let go of unnecessary worries and grow out of limiting beliefs, we become wiser, calmer, and more confident. Understanding how the mind works helps us make better decisions, manage our emotions, and develop a healthier perspective on life. The more we train our mind, the more resilient and thoughtful we become.